But the power outages, we had more than 800,000 customers across the country without power. And as we had mentioned, Bill Hemmer, anchor of America's Newsroom, he's on his way over here to Studio W to talk about the aftermath. So let's join him in FNC.
Come on in, Jimmy. Let's find out what's happening now.
Hey, Bill.
First of all, did you nail it?
Oof.
I think we did pretty good, especially when you consider the foot to foot and a half potential that we had through portions of the Northeast.
Yeah.
Boston coming out with over 18 inches.
But hard to say when you're looking at this map behind us, because nailing it meant that we had significant freezing rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. I mean, at one point it was, wasn't it more than 1 million, Marissa? We had more than 1 million customers without power, and we're still north of 750,000. We're at some 800,000 right now.
Yeah, a lot of that directly attributed to the ice, the freezing rain threat in some areas. Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Nashville, a problem spot, Oxford, Mississippi. You had ice accretion, 3/4 of an inch of ice, which just puts so much weight on those power lines.
Yeah, you know, Steve, I remember on Friday when you and I were here at the board. Yeah. And you said you have the technology to figure out who would get the ice the most severe.
Yeah.
And I just think that technology is extraordinary. Did it help you in your forecast?
It did. Specifically, when we're looking at northern Louisiana and Mississippi, there were indications because you can measure freezing rain. It's different. I know it's rain. Temperature is different, but you can measure the freezing rain potential with how much will accrete on elevated surfaces, power lines, cars, roadways that are untreated. And I'll be honest, when we were talking about it late last week, I was wondering if we would have 1 inch ice accretions, even though that's what forecast models were spitting out. And we did.
1 inch of ice is so heavy.
It is. Idabel, Oklahoma, the top ice spot.
You know, it strikes me. We spoke with the mayor of Oxford, Mississippi last hour. She says her town's just been devastated. You know, they haven't been hit with an ice storm like that in more than 30 years, and that brings down all the trees, brings down all the power lines. Now, it's going to be cold for a while for a lot of people, and now you guys are looking at this weekend and what's coming then.
Yeah, that's the tough part, right? A lot of places are going to stay below freezing. We'll see a little bit of a reprieve in that cold for areas further to the south. But then as we look towards the weekend along the I-95 corridor, the potential for yet again another coastal system, that energy swinging up out of the Gulf, maybe something developing near the Carolinas. Still a lot of uncertainty, but the idea being that it could bring some more snow and weather.
This is the polar vortex stuff here on Sunday.
It's a portion of it. Listen, here's the thing. We're so far out still, but talk about good forecasting. Ensembles, it's a forecast, various global models, and you can tweak one little variable in the atmosphere, and if it develops a low, that gives us a better confidence. So if one thing's off in the atmosphere or different, would we still get a low in the Atlantic? Forecasts are saying yes, so it does have to be something we watch, despite what we just
I feel like I'm going to be back in here before the week's over. Thank you, Marissa. Thank you,
Bill.
Job well done. Talk
Thanks
soon.
for hanging out.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, this one will be interesting to watch.
Yeah, it will be.